Ever wondered why losing belly fat can feel like an uphill battle? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're taking a closer look at a product that promises to help make that climb a little easier. The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. This unique blend of natural ingredients claims to target that stubborn belly fat we all struggle with. Belly fat, or visceral fat as it's known, isn't just an aesthetic concern. It's linked to numerous health risks, including heart disease, diabetes and metabolic syndrome. And it has a notorious reputation for being particularly tough to get rid of. That's where products like the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic come into play. Inspired by the dietary habits of the Okinawan people, who are known for their longevity and low rates of obesity, this tonic promises a natural approach to weight loss. But can it really deliver? Let's see if the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic can help combat this issue. The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a dietary supplement that claims to help you lose weight, particularly around the belly. This tonic is a unique formulation of natural ingredients inspired by the dietary habits of the Okinawan people, known for their longevity and low rates of obesity. The secret behind its formulation lies in a powerful blend of polyphenols, probiotics and metabolic boosters, which are believed to work in synergy to increase metabolism, reduce inflammation, and promote fat burning, especially around the abdomen. Its key ingredients include EGCG, a catechin found in green tea, and Piperine, derived from black pepper, which are known for their metabolism-boosting properties and ability to enhance nutrient absorption, respectively. While these ingredients individually show promise in supporting weight loss, the efficacy of the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic as a whole depends on various factors. But the question remains, does it work? The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic boasts a range of natural ingredients, each with their own purported benefits. Let's delve into some of these key ingredients and their potential benefits. First on the list is EGCG, a type of catechin found in green tea. EGCG is known for its antioxidant properties and has been linked to increased metabolic rates. This essentially means it can help your body burn fat more efficiently, particularly around the belly area. Next, we have Piperine, a compound extracted from black pepper. This might sound unusual, but Piperine has been shown to enhance nutrient absorption and even boost fat burning. It essentially helps your body make the most of the nutrients you consume, which can lead to more effective weight loss. The tonic also includes a blend of probiotics and polyphenols. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that support gut health, which in turn can play a significant role in weight management. Polyphenols, on the other hand, are powerful antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation, a common contributor to weight gain. These are just a few of the ingredients in the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, each carefully selected for their potential weight loss benefits. However, it's important to remember that individual responses to these ingredients can vary. While these ingredients show promise, the effectiveness of the tonic as a whole depends on various factors. These may include your overall diet, exercise routine, and how your body uniquely responds to these ingredients. In conclusion, the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic presents a natural approach to weight loss. This unique blend of ingredients targets that stubborn belly fat, promoting a healthier and leaner physique. Remember, it's inspired by the dietary habits of the Okinawans, who are renowned for their longevity and low obesity rates. The key ingredients, such as EGCG and Piperine, are known for their metabolism-boosting properties and potential to enhance nutrient absorption, respectively. However, it's crucial to remember that the efficacy of this tonic, like any supplement, may vary from person to person. It's not a magic potion, but rather a tool that could potentially assist in your weight loss journey when combined with a balanced diet and regular physical activity. Also, let's not forget the importance of consulting with a healthcare professional before incorporating any new supplement into your routine. This precautionary measure ensures that you're making the best decisions for your unique health needs. The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is more than just a bottle of supplement. It's a testament to the power of natural ingredients and their potential role in promoting health and wellness. It's a step towards embracing a healthier lifestyle, one that prioritizes well-being and longevity. So, if you're curious about the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, or if you've tried it yourself, we're eager to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more health and wellness content. And of course, we would love to hear your thoughts in the